Hare Krishna, welcome. Today, join this sloka, 13th chapter, 15th sloka.
सर्वेन्द्रिय गुणाभासं सर्वेन्द्रिय विवर्जितम् असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च.
Come, let us together enjoy the beautiful explanations of Lord Krishna about the body, the field, and the knower of the field. This is a new subject for us because this is not discussed anywhere, we have not heard anywhere. This is the first time Krishna tells about these two fields and the knower of the field. We talk in general terms, God knows everything. But this is specific. It is telling clearly what is the method in which God is understanding, Krishna is understanding all this, all the bodies. The super soul is the original source of all senses, yet he is without senses. He is unattached, though he is the maintainer of all living beings. He crosses the modes of nature, and at the same time he is the master of all modes of material nature. Just because he has created the modes, he is beyond them and cannot be controlled by them. Now, the whole concept is flowing from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's one. He is Krishna himself. So what Krishna told at the time, he is only telling now. Not that Krishna has followed the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because both are same. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, it is a achintya beda bedam. I mean, unthinkably one and same. So, when you are the source of all senses, how can you have without senses? So, this is the Bedam, and it cannot be understood by our limited senses. Same way, when you are attached to all living beings and you are maintaining all living beings, you will have some attachment to them. They are your, Krishna thinks they are my children. But he is not attached. He has created the nature, modes of nature, but he is beyond them. Those modes cannot control them. We are all controlled by our modes, three modes, not he. This material nature, about that, the joke is of the nature only. There are two robbers sitting in a restaurant and talking. The country, anybody can sit anywhere. There is no restaurant. Robbers cannot come to a restaurant unless they are caught. They are free people. So, one man asking the senior robber, how is that your son is not at all seen? He is also in the field, isn't it? Why he is not visible to us? He says, he is a different nature person. He doesn't have too much ambitions. So it's all limited. That's why you will not be normally seeing him. He has a calm nature. He takes less food, early sleep, no club and other things, entertainment, going out. He is not going out with friends. Oh, such a wonderful brought up you have given him. When can we see him? What is his age? He says he is 25. He completes 5-year term and coming out of jail on Friday. You can see him then. How is that? Calm nature and no late food, no excess food, no extra sleep, no club, nothing. When you are in jail, you cannot have any of these things. He camouflages. He does not tell he is in jail first. He says, it's all belonging to his calm and quiet nature, he says. Hare Krishna.